Hello friends, today we will do some exercise of this chapter Little Tiger, Big Tiger. Okay, so then start NCERT based exercise. Let's start the word meanings. Shady. Shady means full of shade. Beloved, a roar और साउंड जैसे कि एक दहाड़ने की आवाज़ होती है अ रोरिंग शाउट और साउंड ट्विस्ट मीन्स टू गिव अ सडन जर्क पाउंस्ड मीन्स टू अटैक सडनली ग्रंट मीन्स शॉर्ट डीप साउंड दैट इज कॉल्ड जिसे इन हिंदी यू कैन से घुर्राना गेम means an interesting activity to be played with others as you can do. Glimpsed means to shine with a sparkling light. Roared means a full deep cry. Peasant, a long-tailed bird hunted for food. As you can see in the picture, a long-tailed bird. Fowl, a domestic bird for eating or producing egg. And foal is also called the baby of deer. Now let's start some question answer. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? Near a river, near a forest, near a mountain, near a sea. Then the right answer is near a river because the mother tiger and her small tiger cub lived near a river. What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? What did the mother tiger hunt? Sheep and goat, deer and pigs, fish and frogs, donkeys and horses. The right answer is deer and pig because the mother tiger always hunted deer and pigs when the sky was dark. What did the tiger cub catch one night? A deer, a pig, a frog, a cat. That's the right answer is a frog because the tiger cub caught one night a frog. What happened to the little tiger cub when he chased the frog? Chased means पीछा करना. जब टाइगर कब ने फ्रॉग का पीछा किया तो क्या हुआ? That what happened? क्या हुआ था बेटा? The frog hopped away. जो फ्रॉग उसने पकड़ा था वो एकदम फुदक कर भाग गया था. The frog hopped away when the little tiger cub chased a frog. Now, word building, let's exercise. Match the animals with their young ones. Young ones means children. Young ones means babies of that animal. The first is horses. Baby colt. Dog. Baby puppy. Cat. Baby kitten. Cow. Baby calf. Pig. Baby piglet. Tiger young ones cub. sheep, young ones, lamb. Goat, young ones, kid. Duck, young ones, duckling. These are the animals which have their young ones. Now, word building question number 2. Can you place these letters in their right order to form the names of animals? So that in this exercise, we have to rearrange the letters to make a new words. Fine. The first is SEMOU. That is mouse. Second, RESOH. That is horse. OINL. Answer is lion. PESHE. Sheep. REDE. Deer. LUBL. Bull. GITER. Tiger. FOLW. The answer will be fall. Now let's start word building. The exercise become a home of the animals. Suppose a bee lives in a hive. An ant lives in an ant hill. जो बी होती है बेटा, दैट इज इन हिंदी यू कैन से मक्खी, ऑलवेज हाइव में रहती है. एन आंट इन हिंदी मीनिंग चीटी, दैट इज लिव्स इन एन आंट हिल. डक lives in pond. Tiger and lion lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a bureau. A spider lives in a web. Spider means makdi, as you can see in the picture. A sparrow lives in a nest. Okay, that's now puzzle time. Some questions of one words is given with the pictures, so that we have to make the answer in the puzzle or grid. So then let's start. I gave wool. Wool कौन देता है बेटा? Right answer is sheep. I lay egg. Who lay eggs? Hen. I gave you milk. Milk animal, cow. I carry loads. Loads, donkey, जो सामान उठाता है. I sneeze. Sneeze means मिमियाता है, that is horse. I am men's best friend. हमारा बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता है बेटा डॉग. I live in a sty. स्टाई में कौन रहता है बेटा? Pig. I bleat. Bleat is a sound of goat. And last one is I am the sheep of the desert. That is always called camel. Now that is the exercise and all solution of chapter Little Tiger, Big Tiger for class 3 student. Now thank you everyone. Goodbye.